Well, hello there, friends. Another delicious pasta today. Boy, them Italians are good, let me tell you. Pasta alla Gricia. I'm making with rigatonis. A little bit of guanciale, Pecorino Romano. This is the magical pasta. I know you're gonna love it, my friends. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned. We're making it right now together. Okay, friends. Well, pasta alla Gricia. You can make it with anything. Any kind of pasta you want to make. A spaghetti, a bucatini. But you know, all of those pasta, I made them with long pasta, all those Roman pasta. So today I'm using rigatoni. I got beautiful rigatonis. You can make it with any pasta you want. Penne pasta would be just great. So, first, the Italian, the Roman pasta have evaluated. I don't know if they are in the right order, so don't quote me, the historian not there. But we first make the cacio e pepe, which is just the cheese and the black pepper. It was not enough. Why don't we just add some guanciale? That's the cheek of the pork. If you don't have it, you can use a pancetta. If you can't find a pancetta or you can't find a guanciale, it's not easy to find. Trust me, for Rodel, only one store I can find it. Use bacon. It'll be perfectly fine. And then if you add eggs to the whole thing, you got a carbonara. All of those, by the way, we made them. They're over there, the link. All right, friends. Very simple. Let's start going. I got the black pepper. I used the black Campo pepper, Cambodian black pepper. Come find Cambodian black pepper. Use whatever black pepper you want. You want to roast it a little bit. Let me put the pasta in, friends. The pasta, I'm cooking them in a fry pan. You're going to say, what? You're cooking pasta in a fry pan with little water? That's the whole idea. When I make this, I'm going to use the water is the most important part of making this pasta, the water. And if the water has starch in it, that much better. So I need to capture it. If I drown the pasta with a lot of water, starch is going to fall in the bottom. I'm never going to have it. So I'm cooking in the least possible amount of water that I can. Those penne right there are beautiful. They're made with a bronze dye. A lot better texture. Like I say, use a penny. Very similar, just got cut it in. And we're going to put them, now the water is not boiling. Got to wait for the water to boil. That's okay, we can do that. We'll wait. As soon as it's boiled, that at least we got to do. So friends, I've been roasting the pepper. It smells delicious in here. The black pepper. You don't have to do this, okay? This is kind of like extra thing. Just a little bit of black pepper. We're going to take them. I put them in a mortar and pestle. It's very simple to do. When you buy one of those, friends, make sure you buy one of those that has a rough texture there. Not one of those, see, look. See, look, it took 5 seconds. And let me tell you, my friends, pepper, I'm going to sneeze now. Pepper, then you just do this at the last minute. Let me tell you, amazing. All right, the guanciale. Like I said, use pancetta. If you can't find a guanciale, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Sound like I'm Italian. I'm actually French. Look, guys, we're going to put the guanciale in here. And it's like the bacon. By the way, this is 4 ounces. I'm making 2 servings. I got 8 ounces of pasta, 4 ounces per person. The guanciale or the pancetta or whatever it is you want. I cut them in little cubes. You see what they are? And I'm going to cook them so slowly. Because the whole idea, friends, is to melt the fat, which we're going to need, without bruising the lean of the guanciale or the bacon or pancetta, whatever it is you're using. That's the whole idea, no matter what you're doing. No matter what people are doing. It doesn't matter if it's not a pasta dish or a traditional pasta. You got to do it slowly. Otherwise, you see people doing it all the time, and then they burn the lean part and the fat doesn't have time to melt. The whole idea is for us to get that fat to melt. Water is almost boiling. The cheese. Let me tell you what I did about the cheese. Very important, friends. Again, 4 ounces of cheese per person. And I'm measuring the 4 ounces before I grate them, okay? So it's very important to do it. You must grate it with this. Okay, not this. This is like regular grating. You got me right there, Jack? Right? This is the regular. You don't never want to use this because here's what happened, friends. If you use that, the cheese is going to be so big, then the outside of the cheese is going to overcook and separate it. So it's very important you do it with this. This is like killer. Be careful, boy. I'll tell you, this is very dangerous. So be careful when you do it, okay? Kind of like you use a mandolin. Pay attention to what you're doing, friends, okay? And then you'll get this. Now, the problem is when you buy, look, the water is boiling. Water is boiling. The problem is when you buy this already grated, because you're going to say, well, I'm just going to buy it grated. The problem is they add some anti-caking chemicals in it or product in it. I mean, sometimes it's just cornstarch, and that's okay. Matter of fact, in a restaurant, sometimes it's easy to do it. You add a little cornstarch to it, and the cheese doesn't crumble together. A lot of restaurants, it's a trick that they do it. It's really good. There's nothing wrong with it. But anyway, sometimes you buy and they put some other chemicals and it's not very good. It cakes. See, you have to be careful. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This must escape. That's no good. You don't want any pieces like that. If you have pieces of cheese like that, friends, it's not going to melt correctly. Look, we're going to take the water is boiling, putting the pasta in there. I know. You're looking and say, that's not enough water. Salt. How much salt do we put? Very little. Pinch of salt. That piece of cheese, I just swallow it. That'll teach me. Mamma mia. Okay, now we're going to cook this very slowly, my friend, for all the fat. I'm going to catch my breath. I'm going to finish to cook the pasta, and I'll come back. We put all this together. Okay, friends, the pastas are just about ready, and I'm going to take a little bit of the fat from the guanciale and put it here. Let me just do it here. I know Jack is probably going to chase me with a camera, but sorry, I didn't plan on that. Here we go. Just a little bit of it, so we can put it back later on. So now at this point, friends, I turned the heat off about 2 minutes ago. I don't want any more heat. I don't want it to be too hot. The pastas I got, let me make sure. Yeah, the pastas are good. Pastas have cooked 11, 12 minutes. We're going to take a little bit of the pasta water, friends. A little bit of the pasta water. And we're going to make sure this is not... The problem is with the Pecorino Romano, friends. If, there you go. We got beautiful pasta water. See, look. It's full of starch. Look. See? It's full of starch. It's perfect. Okay, stir them off. Done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them in there for a second. They are very al dente right now. So no heat. No heat, friends. If you got the heat right now, your cheese is going to... the cheese separate at 180 degrees. I'm just about there, so I have to be careful. My water is very hot. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to make the cream. And all the Italians are going, cream, you don't put cream in it. No, I don't. There you go, put the pepper in there, black pepper, right there. Smells amazing, the pepper. No heat. Right there, we're going to start putting the cheese, friends, okay? Look how beautiful. And the cheese, the Pecorino Romano, and the water is going to give us that beautiful cream I was talking about. You see? See there, look. Look how beautiful that is, friends. You see, that's what I'm talking about right there. Put a little bit more water, slowly, because I don't want to put too much water. I don't want the cheese not to be happy. We're going to make this beautiful cream. Look at this, friends. They're gorgeous, or what? Yeah, I'm putting cheese everywhere. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. Now that's a beautiful sauce, friends. A little more water. Just a little more water. And then we're going to take the pasta and we're going to put them right in there. Look how beautiful that is. This is a cream that we're talking about, friends. Gorgeous. Now let's take the pasta. And we're probably going to put a little more water in there, but it's okay. We are good to go. Look at this. This is going to be big servings, friends. Probably could have cut down a little bit because the rigatoni grew a lot. But you see, look at my water right there. If I need a little more water, I'm good. I need a little more water. This is going to be perfectly fine right there, my friends. Oh, one noodle on the floor. Montecare. Now we got to mix the whole thing together now. Put a little more cheese. See? Put a little more cheese. Now you got to mix it all up, friends. That's the whole idea now. Mix it all up. Okay, and then we take a spatula. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. You see? This is what I'm talking about, friends. You see how beautiful that is? Nice and creamy. Creamy, 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 creamy cheese. Melted. You see the fact that it's so thin, it melts beautiful. Oh, did I lose one? I did. That's okay, I still got beautiful cream. You see, friends? And voila. Pasta alla Gricia. Gorgeous. Now we're going to take it. We're going to clean it. I got a plate right there that I'm going to use. And this, my friends, gorgeous. See how creamy that is? No cream. Look how beautiful that is, friends. Look how beautiful that is. This is the pasta alla Gricia. Look how beautiful that is, friends. Tell you what, this is too heavy serving, eh? Jackie's going, no, it's just one enough. Just enough for me. And we're going to take a little bit of the guanciale and put it in here like this, friends. You like? I tell you what, it smells amazing. And don't shy away if you can't find the guanciale, friends. Make it with a pancetta. I know you can find that. Little more cheese. Be delicate on that, that's it. And voila, my friends. Rigatoni alla Gricia. Beautiful. I'm going to have it. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? You see, look at that bite. Look at that bite right there, friends. How gorgeous that is. Take a piece of guanciale. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what. You don't miss the salt at all in the pasta water. Trust me, you got plenty of salt right there. That cheese is delicious. Friends, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, that's another one of those fantastic Roman pasta. The Italians are amazing with pasta. The black pepper is coming in right there. It's absolutely fantastic. I hope you make it. Thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Well, you know, I always forget something. I forgot to put the fat of the guanciale on top of it. So, friends, look. Put a little bit right there. Yeah, right? And a little more cheese. And if you have the same beautiful black pepper in here, friends. Now you got a perfect dish.